Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making spicy barbecue wings. I'm gonna serve these wings with mouth-watering salt and pepper chips. I promise you haven't eaten wings like this before. It's gonna be so delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with our flour, mixing with a plain flour with this barbecue seasoning, red chili powder, garlic and onion powder, ground black pepper, a good touch of salt in there. And finally, if you like some herbs, throw them in. Now give this a really good mix and set aside. For our spicy barbecue sauce, turn up the heat around medium-low. And with the molasses sugar, some of this brown sugar. And with the ketchup, use a good quality one. You want to slowly mix and combine the two. Now molasses is what is responsible for the dark brownish color of the barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna flavor with some yellow mustard, a mild type of vinegar, and doesn't have to be too strong. And with the Worcester sauce. And with the soy sauce for the umami flavor. Chipotle chili paste. Now we're gonna season it with garlic and onion powder, bird's eye chili, paprika, freshly ground black pepper, and finally a pinch of the sea salt. Now you want to give this a really good mix and bring everything together. And we're gonna let the sauce simmer for a few minutes. This will ensure any rawness of the spices is cooked, and you can always adjust the consistency. Alright, so our sauce is ready. Just turn off the heat. Have a little taste. A bit sweet, a bit spicy. Amazing. Alright, so for the wings, I'm using a both drummet and the wingette. Now there's two ways you can cook them. You can either barbecue them and glaze them, or you can just fry them and grab your seasoned flour as well. And you want some cold tap water. Now the wings that I'm using have been brined overnight, in some salt. First of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip the wings in some water. So you wanna grab the wings and they go into the water. Drain off the excess water into our seasoned flour. And we're gonna mix this properly. A really good mix to that. Just a single coat. If you want, you can double coat it, it's not a problem. Now for those people who don't like wings, you can use any other parts of the chicken. Now shake off the excess. Now we're ready to fry these. The heat is on medium high. The oil temperature is around 160 Celsius. We're gonna slowly lower them in. Shake off the excess flour. And the most important part is you don't want to overcrowd this. You want to let this cook for around 5 to 6 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius. And the color should be nice and golden brown. Now what happens is whenever you add your chicken, the temperature of the oil will go down. So it's always best to control the heat. Alright, as you can see, we have a beautiful color on that chicken. It looks amazing. At this point of time, we're just going to drain off the excess oil and we're going to start removing it. Our delicious fried chicken, done. If your chicken doesn't look like this, don't talk to me. For our salt and pepper chips, turn up the heat around medium. And with the oil, around 2 tablespoons. And with some of these sliced onions. With the peppers. Red chili flakes. Give that a mix and lightly saute. Throw in your garlic. Just a light color on the garlic. And now throw in your chips. Give that a mix. Some of the seasoning, MSG, black and white pepper, and salt to taste. Now give that a really good mix and cook on high heat for a few seconds. your amazing salt and pepper chips. Done. Have a little taste. Now with the wings, with our spicy barbecue sauce. Alright guys, let's play this up in with your wings. You gotta have some coleslaw with it. And our delicious salt and pepper chips. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It smells amazing. Let's try those salt and pepper chips. Bismillah. What an amazing flavor. So delicious. You can really taste those onions, those peppers, a bit of the kick from the chilies. Amazing. Just gonna try some of this coleslaw. Bismillah. It's so creamy. So delicious. Alright, let's try our spicy barbecue wings. Bismillah. Wow, the sauce is so delicious and it goes perfectly with this chicken. These wings are so delicious. What can I say? Great wings, great chips, ending with a great drink. Can we please get this video to 1000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.
Perfect.